Hello students, welcome to English Diction by Indu Minhas. Today we will learn about classified advertisements along with the tips and solved examples of its various categories. Before starting, I would like to brief you what is an advertisement. An advertisement is a powerful tool for promoting sales and purchases. It influences people's minds, tastes, and motives. And generally, it is of two types. Number one, display or commercial advertisements, and number two, classified advertisements, that is the topic of the day. In display advertisements, the main aim is to promote sales and business by manufacturers. They cover more space and there is use of designs, slogans, catchy phrases and bold letters. And moreover, there is relaxed tone and style, which is in contrast to the classified advertisements, which are simple, formal, and factual. Why do classified advertisements are named so? These advertisements are classified or categorized in the newspapers or magazines depending upon their type and purpose, so named classified. Now, here are few tips to write them down, like these should be short and to the point, do not exceed word limits, there should be no design or slogans, language used should be simple, factual, and formal, and give contact details at the end, and write type of the ad at the top of the box. In classified advertisements, we do not use sentences until unless it is very important. We use keywords only, and we always put classified advertisements in a box. And here are few main categories of classified advertisements like situation vacant, situation wanted, sale and purchase of property, vehicles or commodities, matrimonial, accommodation wanted, lost and found, to let, and educational. So here we start with first example, that is situation vacant. These advertisements are given by various companies or institutions to offer a job when some post is lying vacant. So here are few tips. Begin with wanted, then name of the post and number of vacancies, then qualification of the candidate and minimum experience. You may mention age and sex, then any other skills required, pay scale and perk, mode of applying, and in the end, contact details. So now here is the question. You are a principal in National Public School, Jaipur, looking for a TGT maths for your school. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words for the situation vacant column of National Times. So how we will start? First write down title, situation vacant. Then start with wanted. Wanted experienced teacher for the post of TGT maths. Okay, post. Then qualifications, MSc maths, B.Ed, CTET. Then experience, minimum experience of 5 years. Then extra skills, excellent communication skills, computer proficient, good command our subject, salary negotiable. Then eligible candidate may apply to the principal of National Public School, Jaipur within 10 days. So here is another example. Situation wanted. When an individual is looking for a job, he should mention the details as following: nature of the job, qualification and experience, age and sex, minimum salary expected, and any other skill, and in the end, contact address and phone number. And the question is, you are an experienced and a competent chartered accountant who is looking for multinational companies who require someone on a freelance base. So draft a classified advertisement for the situation wanted column. So start with heading situation wanted, then Start with available competent chartered accountant, male, age 35 years. For freelance work for multinational companies, 10 years experience, efficient at handling all matters of taxation and legal matters, knowledge of company law, good communication skills, knowledge of computers, on transport to travel, and in the end, you will give address and the phone number. So here is another example of for sale of your house or flat. So begin with available, then mention type of accommodation, whether it's a flat, shop, etc. Then particulars such as area, number of stories, number of rooms, then location and details of surroundings, then fixture and fittings like well furnished modular kitchen, the other specifications like sun facing, well ventilated, then expected cost, and in the end address and phone number. And your example question is, you are Rajiv or Renuka, you want to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city, so draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words. So heading will be for sale, then start with available, flat, first floor, 3 BHK, attached baths, modular kitchen, well ventilated, well furnished, car parking and security available, 24 hours electricity and water supply, east and park facing, close proximity to market, school or railway station, price negotiable, and in the end you will mention address and phone number. So here is another example of matrimonial. When looking for a bride or bridegroom, following particulars of the boy or girl should be given. Begin with the wanted a suitable match or proposal invited by, then age, height, build, educational qualifications, nature of employment, caste if necessary, qualities required in a partner, then post office box number. In these advertisement, post office box number of newspaper is to be given. Starting with the question is, write a matrimonial column in a newspaper for a suitable match for your sister. Heading is bridegroom wanted. Start with marriage, wanted suitable match for a beautiful charming girl, 24 years, 158 centimeter height, MBA from USA, daughter of prosperous businessman. Boy should be handsome and from a reputed business family, preferably from Delhi. Kindly respond with full particulars to advertiser, post office box number, the Times of India, New Delhi, or your own address. So here is another example of missing person. So begin with missing, give brief physical description, then name and age, then clothes and accessory last worn, place last seen, and detail of a reward, and in the end address and phone number. And the example question is, write an advertisement for the classified column about a 15-year-old missing boy. So your heading will be missing. Start with boy missing, 15 years old, whitish complexion, black curly hair, height 5 feet 6 inches, wearing white shirt, blue jeans, rubber slippers. Boy last seen sitting on a bench outside a park in Vasant Kunj, New Delhi on 20th June at 12 p.m. In the end, write address and phone number. So in this way, we have seen in these advertisements, we give all the particulars in short, avoiding long sentences. And now I want to give you homework. Your homework is, write on a classified advertisement as you want to sell your old car. Give all the particulars in short, and your heading will be car for sale. Okay, and so thank you so much. Kindly follow and like, share, and subscribe it.